Hi there everybody, welcome back. This is our final video for a deep dive into Wagon Wheel using a variety of different layering exercises. In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about what happens when you're adding 3 layers together. There's often this thought that you want to start with the ones that feel easiest and then you add the hardest one at the end. For a lot of us, that's singing. But I'm going to flip that on its head a little bit. We're going to start with the hardest one and then add in the ones that feel easier. Now this is going to be different for different folks, so I'm going to model it in a couple different sequences. All right? First I'm going to start, get my references here, with singing. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Just pretend you're in the shower, right? Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Now you can see I'm already feeling the beat. So what I'm going to do is bring my strum pattern in, since I'm really feeling that, lining it up with the lyrics here. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. And I could do that, 2, 3, 4, 5 times around as much as I like. Then I'm going to pause and switch just to my chords. Maybe I'll keep the beat going in my body. I want to feel it going there. And I'm going to again do the 2-layer thing between singing and chording. Now, rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Keep going. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Great. Now, again, I'll do that a couple times through, looping it around. Then, as I do more of those loops, I'm going to audiate more of that swing beat. Do, 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 da, do, da, do, do, da, do. Really feel it. Do, do, da, do, da, do, da, do, da, do, do, ba-dum, 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 dum, dum, ba-da-da-dum, dum, da-dum. Hear it in the back of my head as I sing. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Do, da, do, da, do, da, do. Bring it back in. And I can see how totally out of key I got. That's fine. Now I'm going to bring it all together. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Mama, rock me. And pause right there. So notice by the time that you've brought all 3 layers together, you've had so much sort of integrated practice of the 2 layers separately, but also of the thing that is the hardest, right? If the hardest thing for you is your singing, start with that and build the other things around it, right? As I said, different layers are going to feel hard for different folks. So here's another thing you might do. Another exercise to work through. Say strumming is your hardest, that keeping that steady beat is so hard, right? So we're just going to really get into it. This is going to be our base layer of everything. Again, I'll go through singing and strumming, just the two layers. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. And then the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Leave the singing out for now. Bringing it back to those two-layer pairs. But don't forget the power of audiation. Maybe you hear that melody in the back of your head. Back in. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Pause right there. So again, you've started with whatever the hardest thing is. You pair it up with the different layers before you add all of them together. And in there, you've had all this extra strumming practice while also working in the things that feel a little bit easier for you, right? Of course, the last combination would be starting with your chording. Same thing. Start going around the progression, add in the strumming, then take the strumming away, add in the singing, and then put all three together. We're going to try that together too. I want you to try all of these with me, and you'll see maybe you learned something new about yourself, right? About your own learning style. Starting on the C chord. You're going to be so sick of this song by the end of this week, but you're going to know it really well. Starting on C, it's C, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, to F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G7, and then to F, 2, 3, 4. Let's add in the strum pattern. 1, 2, to the lyrics. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. And back. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Then, of course, finally, we bring them all together. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me. Oh, rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound So we put those 3 layers together in 3 different sequences, and that's not even all the sequences you can do. Keep in mind, though, that you want to start with the things that feel hard so that you get lots of integrated practice in there, just lots of repetition in different contexts, right? But the other reason is because we know if those other layers are easier, it's going to feel easier to work them into what you're already doing, right? So it's a little counterintuitive, but give it a try. You also might try sandwiching the hard thing between the 2 easier things. For example, you could strum, then sing, and then add the chords. If singing is the hardest thing for you, right? Sandwich that harder thing between the 2 easy things. That's another approach you could take. As I said, lots of different sequences you can try. It's super healthy to try all of the sequences. I hope you learned something new about yourself in going through these different sequences. You may find that some feel easier than others, but the more kind of different approaches we take to the same material, the better we learn it, the deeper it sits in our ears and our bodies, right? The better we know that song. And we can just kind of, I don't know, maybe not be so reliant on those song charts. Just ditch the song charts. I don't need that. I've got it, right? I know it in here. I know with this particular song, the lyrics, once we get to the verses, they take us to a totally new layer, right, of the song. But we'll come back to that. We'll come back to lyrics. I hope this was helpful for you. Please go back, review anything that you need to. There was a lot we covered in this one, and there's a lot we've covered all week. So remember to review this deep dive into Wagon Wheel, into layering exercises. Go back and watch the Teaching Tuesday video. I bet there's going to be a little bit more that trickles through now that you've had some concrete experience with all of these ideas and practices as well. Enjoy, and I will see you next time around.
Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe below. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new videos have been posted. You might also consider becoming a member, which you can do at different levels, gets you different perks, and again, is a great way to say thank you and keep this channel going. Really appreciate your support. You can learn more about my work at averyhill.studio. Thanks so much.